So I picked up the new 2019 Amazon Fire HD10, which many people actually tend to call the king of budget tablets, because some of you guys who watched my last tablet comparison video actually requested that I do a comparison video of the Amazon Fire HD10 versus the Galaxy Tab A, the 2019 Galaxy Tab A 10.1 inch. So I figured, why not? Now, this was delivered just a few hours ago, so clearly this is more of an unboxing and first impressions, initial review type of video. Obviously because I need more time to play with it before I can actually pit it against the Galaxy Tab A. As always, please do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. It's a huge boost to the channel and I truly appreciate your support. So, like we do all the time, let's go ahead and fly through the unboxing here. And as I do so, there are a few things to know already about this tablet. Clearly, this is the newest version of the Amazon HD10. This is actually the 9th generation, which frankly doesn't look that much different from the previous one. But according to Amazon, this thing is actually supposed to push better performance than the previous model. So you have Android 9, and this tablet is loaded with Fire OS 7.3.1.1 as of the unboxing of this particular tablet. And I believe I should be able to add Google Play Store on this. As we know already, it's a 10.1 inch display. I actually have a 7-inch display also, which I bought a few months ago. Haven't really had time to really play with it, but it's here somewhere. And this year's model is supposed to be charged via USB Type-C, just like it is the case with the Galaxy Tab A, the 2019 Galaxy Tab A 10.1. So it seems to me like the majority of these manufacturers have definitely moved towards the USB Type-C route. Here you get the USB Type-C cable, as I just mentioned, along with a wall adapter, which is also supposed to be a 9-watt, as it says right there, adapter. The resolution is supposed to be 1920 by 1200 megapixels, exactly like it is the case on the Tab A. And I went for the 32 gigs of storage and 2 gigs of RAM. This is actually the perfect contender to pit against the 2019 Galaxy Tab A 10.1 inch. Amazon actually only has 2 trims for this, the 32 gigs and the 64 gigs only. Looking at the physical features here, starting at the top, we have the power button, the USB Type-C port for charging, of course, a headphone jack, and a volume rocker right next to it. Then on the left side of the tablet, we have 2 stereo speakers. The other side, we have the micro SD card slot, which can hold up to 512 gigabytes of a micro SD card. At the bottom, there isn't anything, just a smooth bottom. I've played with it a little bit and it's actually pretty impressive. It's pretty snappy. It has a 2 gigahertz 8-core CPU, so performance is actually not too bad. In fact, I actually read an article that stated that this may actually be faster than the 2019 Galaxy Tab A 10.1 inch, which I'll be comparing against this one sometime next week. Things load fairly quickly and it handles media streaming services pretty well. Obviously, Amazon Prime, and of course Netflix, Disney Plus. These are just some of the services that I've tested on here, and so far they're coming out pretty nice. It's streaming with no issues at all. And again, with the Amazon tablet, you can download the very popular apps, but the problem is you're going to be missing all of the other apps unless you download the Google Store. It also is loaded with a 4700 milliamp hour battery, and according to Amazon, that can last you up to 12 hours. But then, of course, this is all subjective depending on your usage. The camera on the back is a 2 megapixel camera, and so is the one on the front. And these two can record at up to 720p. So not too impressive here. The aspect ratio is 16:10, and I was actually pleasantly surprised to see that the screen is laminated. There's no separation on the display there. So I'm hoping to be able to sideload the Google Store app and download some games. That way I can test and see how they play on here. But so far I've downloaded this game from the Amazon App Store and it seems to play just fine, but clearly it's been optimized enough for the Amazon Fire. So here's my take, and that is just so far. So far I like it already. It's a great little tablet, especially for the price. It seems to me like it's going to be great for media consumption. The screen is not crazy vivid, but it's still very good enough for you to enjoy watching videos and playing some games on here. I still have to test some of the games from the Google App Store and see how this one handles it. The display shows fairly good color contrast. It's laminated, and the aspect ratio makes movie or just videos in general look pretty good. The stereo speakers are okay, but you might actually enjoy the movies or whatever you're watching on there even more if you go ahead and add some headphones or some earphones. Also, it's a pretty solid tablet. Just holding it, you can feel that it's a very solid build. You also do have Alexa built in. So I'm going to be playing with this thing over the next few days. Then I'll be making a comparison with the 2019 Galaxy Tab A 10.1 inch. And I'm going to drop another video during the week to give you guys just my take between both. Now, I do hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button also, and post a comment right down in the comment section. And I'm going to catch you in the comment section below. I'm also going to catch you in the next video. And up until then, I'll see you. Peace.